Hello friends, I am Ambika. Welcome to SA Educational Hub, a platform to share knowledge, service providers Situn and Ambika. In this video, we will learn what is a compiler, what is an interpreter, compiler versus interpreter, and what is an assembler. What is a language? Language is the medium through which we communicate with each other. What is a computer language? Computer language is the medium through which we communicate with the computer. Computer programming languages are classified into three categories in general: machine language, assembly language, and high-level language. In machine language, instructions are written by using zeros and ones. In assembly language, instructions are written by using words known as mnemonics. In high-level language, instructions are written by using simple English words. High-level languages are closer to human languages. Computers cannot understand high-level language or assembly language. Computers only understand the machine language. That is, instructions are written by using zeros and ones. As a result, we need a translator which converts a program written in high-level language or assembly language into machine language and makes these instructions understandable by the computer. What is a compiler? A compiler is a program, a translator that translates high-level languages into machine language. A program written by a user in a high-level language is known as source code. When it is converted to machine language by a compiler, it is known as object code. C, C++, Fortran, and Go languages use a compiler for execution. What is an interpreter? An interpreter is a program, a translator that translates high-level languages into machine language. Python, Ruby, Perl, and MATLAB use interpreters for execution. What are the differences between compiler and interpreter? A compiler converts the entire program into machine code at one go. An interpreter translates the source code line by line, that is, it would execute the current statement before translating the next statement. The compiler displays all errors, if any, after compilation is over, whereas the interpreter displays errors, if any, line by line. That is, the interpreter executes the current statement, displays errors, if any, immediately, and after correction, it executes the next statement. A compiler provides a separate object program. An interpreter does not generate a permanent saved object code file. In the case of the compiler, each statement is translated once and saved in an object file, which can be executed at any time without translating again. In the case of an interpreter, each statement is translated every time it is executed from the source program. Compilers are complex programs. They require more memory to execute a program. Interpreters are less complex programs. They require less memory for program execution. Compilers are faster as compared to interpreter because each statement is translated only once and saved in an object file, which can be executed at any time without translating again. Interpreters are slower as compared to compilers because a statement is translated every time it is executed from the source program. Nowadays, many languages use both interpreters and compilers for the execution of their programs. For example, Java and C# use both a compiler and an interpreter for the execution of the program. The Java compiler converts the Java source code into an intermediate code known as bytecode. The bytecode is a non-runnable code. Then the Java interpreter converts this bytecode into machine code, which is understandable by a machine. This process makes the Java platform independent. What is an assembler? Besides these two translators, there is another translator used in programming languages that is known as an assembler. An assembler is a program, a translator that translates assembly language into machine language. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Previous video was how to install Python latest version on Android. Next video is a simple hello world program in Python and execution mode. Contact us ambikarai27@gmail.com. Thank you.